Hey guys, in this lecture we will talk about how to fill a denim or jeans texture. Okay, so first of all, I already have my path, okay, but if you don't have, you can use your pen tool and you can create a path. Okay, simple pen tool. Okay, but I already have it and I can use that. Okay, so let me select that. And this is my path for jeans. And let me go to layers, and this is for fill color. And now I can use my hard round brush, and also make sure you have a blue color. Okay. And yeah, color selection depends on like you wanna a dark texture or light texture. If you're going for a light texture, make sure you have fill color dark. Okay. And if you wanna make a dark texture, make sure you have a light uh fill color or background color. Okay. So here I want a dark blue because I'm going for a light texture, okay, light blue texture. Check okay, and now I can go to my path and I can select my path and I can press fill. Yeah, and now you can see I have my fill color. I can go here and yeah, if you wanna deselect it, let's click here and control D. And now I can apply that texture, okay? So I need to create a clipping mask, okay? So let's create a new layer. So this is my texture layer, yeah. Texture. And now I can make this layer a clipping mask, okay? So right click and create clipping mask. And this is the layer I wanna apply my texture, okay? So now take your texture brush, make sure you have your brush here, and now go to garment rendering brushes, and in this we have fabric textures, okay? So I want a light color, so select this, and now let me change light color. And now I can go to this layer and I can select my pixels and make sure you click on this box and then right click and select pixels. Okay, and now it's ready and I can start doing this. Or I can make my brush really big. And now I can go really fast. Okay. And now you can see I have my texture. Okay. So Control D to deselect. And now I can add like suppose I wanna shadow and highlight. Okay, I can add those. Let me turn on and I can move them here. And also I wanna turn on my details. Okay. So I have details here, but let me create again. Okay. So go here, create another layer, path, and now I wanna add details. Okay. So for details, I wanna use, of course, dark color, or yeah, either way, like you can use light color. And now I can go here and I can create a layout. I already have this layer. Let me give a name, details. And now I can go to path and I can change my brush size. And also I want a hard round brush. And let's make it 7 or 8. Click. And now we have our details. And also I want to see my J curve. So I can go here, and for J curve, we can create a new layer because usually we apply stitch. Control D. So let me create a new layer. And this is for J curve. And now I can go to brush and I can find stitch brushes. Go here and find stitch brushes. Usually we have 2 lines, so let's try this one. Make it really small and change color. Make it orange, or yeah, this color. I like it. And now I can go to path, J curve, and now I can apply this brush. And now you can see we have our J curve. Yeah. And yeah, if you wanna add some distress, you can add that also. So let me extra details. Let me do this. And now I can take my brush, these brushes. Let me change color. I can add this here, the lighter, or maybe in dark color. Can go here. And the same thing, like we can select pixels and then we can try this. Extra details. Let me do this over here, and you can flip your brush. And you can do here. And now I want to show you the distress thing. So you can go here and create a shape. And now I can make this shape a selection. Let me use erasers and reduce the opacity. Okay. And make it bigger size. And now I can go back to extra details. And so now let's find create brush. And go here and let's select this one. And yeah, one thing I wanna use this in white color. Okay, so let's make it smaller and also Control D to deselect. And now I can these creases smaller and maybe here. So we wanna just fake it. Yeah. And also make sure you have a button so you can take a ellipse and switch color. And now let me delete this. So go here and delete the shape. So yeah, this is the way we can add texture and we can add details. Okay, so yeah, thank you.